Hey guys and gals, what's going on? Ron the Sauce Pirate here, coming to you live, playing this new game called Knights Fight Medieval something. I can't remember what it's exactly called, but I did have 50,000. I lost it all in one of these matches. I was so close to winning, but I lost anyway. Let's do this. I'm gonna win, because I'm a Rana Sauce. I'm not a wiener, I'm a winner.
Fight!
Let me move this. Oh, Jesus. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez and Cheez-Its. Oh, cheese and Cheez-Its. There we go. Way better. Ow! Oh. Ow. Yes. Yes! No! 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 No. No, 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 no. Don't make me pull out the Batman theme song when I'm losing. No, 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 no. And I lost. Typical. My streak is awful today. You have no idea. It's probably because of the armor I'm wearing. I just fight random people. So this is a multiplayer mode. Ha! That weapon may do good damage, but it's weak. You check out the store in this game. It's pretty cool. See? Has a harder time blocking. And due to the light armor, it does more impact with my blade. Henceforth, me winning. Shield may be strong, like defense-wise, but this person doesn't really know how to use a sword all that well, apparently. I will win! Fear the Rana Sauce! Ha! I won. I'm a winner! And look, now I'm at 4,000. Now I have to build it all up again. I spent most of my money on the suit, because I couldn't win with my Steel Beak outfit. Get the game, you'll know what I'm talking about. That's fun.
Fight!
And simple, if you understand the things behind it, and why players choose for what they do. They may have the greatest defense, but they never use it when it's most needed. For me, my controls don't really work, because I'm not, like, on the buttons. Like, I press them, but my finger's not, like, totally on them, so it doesn't read it. I think that's a game glitch this thing has. Either that or my phone screen's dirty. Gotcha. Yeah, I was playing this game a lot. I normally, like, test it and then build up a rank as I go along before I show most of my games. Unless if it's a story mode, like, game. Like my Alien vs. Predator series. Speaking of which, I'll get back to you on that one. Sooner or later. All I say is eventually. Because I don't know when. And Rana Sauce Pirate is now losing. So there's more money than he's earning. It's at 50,000 and I lost it all. I was so close. I was like three solid strikes away from winning. And the guy took me out with one swing because I didn't have my shield up. See scenario with this Antonio guy. Gotcha. Battle scars, huh? You're gonna bleed out. Bleed out faster than a chicken without its head. Which brings me to an interesting fact. If you cut off a chicken's head, it'll actually still run for about 10 minutes until it drops. Which is sort of funny. Oh yeah, and another thing about chickens, there's one in here, and if you, like, tap it, it gets you from, like, 70 to 100 coins, I think. This is me just speaking my personal thoughts about it. This game is so much fun. So addictive. Sad part, I yell at my phone so much because I keep losing. Because my combos don't work like they're supposed to. Must win. Fight. Let's do this. Ow, 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 ow. Yes! Winner! Winner, winner, chicken dinner! Ha ha ha! Speaking of which, since I'm a sauce, and I love chicken, because I'm a cat, so... Like, I mean a cat person. It's half cat, half person. Just my symbol, you know? Oh yeah, my party hard game. If you saw me wearing a mask, don't get creeped out. Fight. Just that, if you don't know me in real life, I prefer not having a face reveal. Ow. Got you. Got you. Gotcha, gotcha. Ow. Gucci, Gucci, goo. I see you. You're dead. Well, at least this is your death anyway. Like that Flint thing now, like more like a throat slit after my sword bounced off his shield. I'm not watching an ad, or otherwise my recording will stop, so good luck with that one. Now I'm gonna play in a story mode. Hold on. Woohoo! My coins are open. Store. Yeah, see? Look, each of these has a different standard. Let me just move that right here. And see? If I could get that armor, it'd be pleasant. I already bought this armor, which is fun to use until you die. I'm not getting that lion fart costume. I'm gonna win. I have to win. I have to be the very best. No Pokemon jokes intended. But I'm never playing Pokemon Go ever again. After I heard of all the incidents, like people getting hit by cars. Oh wait, I'm not doing multiplayer. I am doing challenge. There we go. No, let's just keep it right there for now. Unless it gets in the way of my health bar. Fight. Oh no, it doesn't. Oh! Yeah, this is a CPU, which is why it's in slow-mo. Epic combos 101, if anything. Not like just a regular attack, it's literally a combo that I use. Ow! Hey, Buckethead, move it. Ah! Die! Ow. Son of a fish. Fish. 5 more minutes or so until my recording's over. Toasty. Well, I got toasted by this guy. And he's a bucket-headed CPU. Like, literally, he's wearing a lead bucket over his head. Covered in spikes, and it has just one little hole cut out of it. If that's not stupid, I don't know what is. But then again, I want the armor. I just gotta ask these guys a few questions. I thought that's what he's thinking. Seriously, I got tons of feedback on this game. Sorry for the inconvenience of talking fast. I just gotta go with my own flow. Hyper. And to me, it's surprising how fast almost 15 minutes can go by, so. Plus, searching for a worthy opponent to fight. Literally, somebody put on some Rocky when they listen to this. Like, watch the movie Rocky when you see fights like this. Fight! I'm wearing medium armor. He's wearing heavy armor, so I'm slightly faster than him. I mean, depends. Not all the armors make incorrect place in this game. There's some heavy armor that works like light armor. And then there's some medium armor that works like light armor or heavy armor. Depends on which side it leans. Actually, I think it's the cost of it. Ah! Ow! Got him! Got him! Gotta go. Ow, 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 ow. Ow, ow. Ow. Yes, yes, yes! If you're wondering why my face isn't showing us, I'm playing as a guest. I don't have a Facebook page, so don't even try. Ow, 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 ow. Ah! 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 Yes! Oh, so lucky! Come on, put on Eye of the Tiger, or We're the Champions by Queen. Come on. I got tears of joy. That chicken is mine. I want some KFC up in here. I don't wonder why I'm such a greaseball. I hate that chicken. Great, now I sound like I'm in Despicable Me 2. There we go. I want my chicken. Got it. Turn, 101 silver. Gold, and then there's these things, whatever. Alright, that wraps up this video. If you like this, leave a like and, just destroy that like button. Put a hammer down on it. If you like this video, destroy the like button. And if you want to see more, tell me in the comments. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below until that subscribe button gets a black eye. Come on, this is Ron and Sauce Pirate coming to you live saying peace. And watch some more of my videos. Bye.